In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. Changing the background can help customize your chart to better fit your style or improve its visibility, making your presentations more effective and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Lucidchart's website. If you haven't already saved the link, you can simply type Lucidchart into your search engine and click on the official Lucidchart website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. This should be located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. When you do this, it will prompt you to log in with your email and password. Type in your email address first. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Lucidchart account. After entering your email, click on the next button to proceed. You'll then be asked for your password, so go ahead and type it in. Once that's done, hit the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Documents section of your dashboard. This is usually accessed by clicking on the Documents tab or icon in the sidebar or main menu. From here, find the file you wish to edit. When you've located it, click on the file to select it, then click on Open to start editing your Lucidchart document. With your document open, the next step is to right-click anywhere on the main canvas area. A context menu will appear as a result, and you should then select Document Settings from this list of options. This is where you'll find a range of customization settings for your chart, including your goal today, changing the background color. In the document settings, locate the option for background color. Clicking on it will bring up a palette of colors to choose from. Here's where you can experiment a little. Click on the color that best suits your needs or project requirements. This simple customization can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. Once you've settled on a color, make sure your changes are applied by clicking out of the palette. You'll probably want to review how everything looks now that the background color has changed. If you're happy with the new look, the last thing you need to do is exit the settings mode by clicking on exit. And there you have it, your Lucidchart document now has a newly updated background color. It's as easy as that. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or just organizing ideas, changing